Recently, Anthropic released a new model and we are going to test it. The new AI model called Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and people are saying it's one of the model that beats the OpenAI's latest model GPT-4o. And guess what? It's totally free for everyone to use. I thought it would be fun to put Claude 3.5 to the test and see if it can design my dream home like an architect. Here is the initial sketch of my area with all the measurements in foot, and I drew it using pen and paper. This area contains three sections, one beside the road that I will left for parking, and I think it's too enough for me to live in that. I will upload this image to Claude for testing its creativity and vision. Okay, we are going to cloud.ai website, and this is the web app interface of Cloud chatbot. First, you have to create your account, and it's totally free, but with the messages limits, you can go for plus version for more advanced use. Alright, I have uploaded the sketch, and now I am going to write a prompt asking Claude to design my home in Matplotlib, a Python library for plotting. I have write the prompt like above is the image of my area with measurement, and I want you to design my house plan like rooms, stair, etc. Design should be simple and understandable. Area beside the main road should be for parking, and write matplotlib code for designing my dream house. On pressing the button, Cloud start processing my request and generating the matplotlib code for my house plan. Saying here is the Python script using matplotlib to create the house plan, and this codes create a house plan with four rooms, a staircase, two parking areas. Okay, Cloud has response with some matplotlib code. Now let's test this code in Jupyter notebook. Okay, here is the code from Cloud. I will run it, and oh no, we have hit an error. Let's paste this error back into Claude and see if it can help us to fix it. And here is the fix from Claude. Uh, it's not the full code. Okay, I will write here write all code at once with modification. Okay, Claude has start processing my new request. Certainly, I will write the code. Okay, here is the new matplotlib code that should not be hit an error. We are going to copy this code again and run it in my Jupyter notebook, and copied, and I will paste here, and okay, here is the actual design plan that Claude give us. Worked. We have got the first design plan. Let's take a look. It's not quite what I had in mind. Let's ask Claude for a better design. So here I am writing, I am disappointed with your design, and it's not correct like my raw paper map. So write code again with the correct and with a best or not with a better design. And Claude start processing my third request here and generating the matplotlib code for my second design plan with modification and with some text. You are out of free messages until 1:30 a.m. Free plan has messages limits. If you want no message limit, you have to upgrade to plus version. Okay, I'm going to run my second code for second plan. Okay, it's look quite better. This looks much better than previous one. Okay, it has two parking slot, which I don't want actually, and two rooms. Okay, previous one and the second one. Okay, I'm going to zoom it. Two parking slot. I hope you enjoyed this video of creating a simple home design with AI. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing AI content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video on Code with AI.